Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by Harry Boardman in 1877. See the black has the king, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 pawns and a bishop. White has the king, a rook, 3 pawns, a bishop, a pair of knights and a queen. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? There's one forced checkmate in 3 for white by moving the bishop to g3. Black takes the pawn, the queen can then take it back. King has only 1 square to move to, and then the knight can move in to checkmate in 3, but not 2. Moving the queen to b4 doesn't get you a checkmate in 2, because you end up having a little battle with the bishop. Bishop can block the check the queen, and the queen can take the rook. King can't move, but then the bishop can block 1 last time, and you only get a checkmate in 4. There's another checkmate in 4 by taking the rook with your bishop. Black can check the king with their rook, but white can take back with the queen. Black only has 1 escape square with the king, and then move the rook down so black has no escape squares. And then you can move in with the queen or the knight to checkmate in 4. There's another checkmate in 4 by moving the knight to b1. Black can move their bishop next to the king. You can then check with your bishop. Black can take back with the pawn, but then you can check with the queen. King only has 1 escape square. Then you can move in with a knight for another checkmate in 4, but not 2. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the bishop to g1. Black pushes the h pawn, you can then move the queen to g3 to checkmate in 2. If black pushes the b pawn, you can then move the queen to c5 to checkmate in 2. Black takes your knight with their pawn, you can then take it back with the queen to checkmate in 2. And if black moves the knight that's on f7, the queen can then move to g6 to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe to not miss out on future chess puzzles, and I'll see you again soon.